Hi, welcome to Regents Chemistry. My name is William Braswell, or Mr. B to my students. In this video, I would like to provide a brief overview of what your child will experience in Regents Chemistry this year, beginning with the course objectives. The Regents Chemistry course is designed to expose students to a wholesome curriculum, which should lead to a better understanding of a variety of topics. Students enrolled in Regents level chemistry will be required to demonstrate the ability to understand all concepts defined by the current course syllabus. Topics covered in this course are consistent with previously established New York State Regents standards. Now for the textbook. The title of the textbook is Holt Chemistry by Myers, Oldham, and Tassi. My contact information is as follows, where I may be contacted by phone at the following number: 914-422-2154. I may also be contacted by email at the following address: wprswell@wpcsd.k12.ny.us. I may also be reached at www.wphskim@yahoo.com. The material required for the course includes the following. Number 1, a notebook. Students are required to possess a well-kept spiral notebook. Notebooks should contain a minimum of 200 pages. Number 2, a scientific calculator or a mobile device with calculator capabilities. Note, Note, mobile devices may not be used during assessments. The grading system breaks down as follows, where homework is worth 10% of the quarter grade. Laboratory assignments are worth 20% of the quarter grade. Assessments account for 60% of the quarter grade. And applications and practice, which is basically classwork, accounts for 10% of the quarter grade. The overall grade breaks down as follows, where each quarter accounts for 20% of the overall grade. The midterm exam grade accounts for 4% of the overall grade, and the Regents exam accounts for 16% of the overall grade. Other concerns include the following. Lab safety. By law, students are required to wear safety goggles at all times when performing a laboratory assignment. This and all other relevant rules are listed on the lab safety contract. Tardiness to class. Students should be in the classroom before the second bell sounds. Behavior. All students are expected to behave in a respectful manner to each other and the teaching staff at all times. Extra help. Do not hesitate to request extra help. I will be available to provide extra help during lunchtime every day in room G107 and on Thursdays from 3 p.m. until 4 p.m.